Hey guys, your girl had a bending. So I want to show you how you can fix your Nigeria funny sound in your video. First of all, you have to download funny sound. Like, look here, you can see comedy. You can see comedy. Just go to your Play Store, look for Nigerian comedy sound. So now I already have all these sounds on my phone. I'm going to use CapCut. Okay, I'm going to use CapCut. I click on my CapCut. Okay, now I'm going to do a new project so I can be able to fix my sound. Okay, now I'm going to choose a video. Yeah, I'm going to choose a video right now so that you understand how we can use sound, any sound you like. Please, before you use sound, you don't just start using sound. Let's say, for instance, um where funny thing happen and you want to put a laughing sound. Okay, let me start with I'm going to use any video to do that. Okay, I'm choosing this video. This video, I want to cut it a bit so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, I'm using this video now. Okay, as you can see, the video is playing. Okay, good. Now, if you know that place, you really want to fix that video, okay, you can reduce the sound, like the sound of that particular video, not the sound, not the funny sound you want to put. Okay, that place that you really want to put that sound, all right, you have to reduce the volume so that people can be able to hear the sound of what you want to put. Okay, so on this video I'm going to reduce the sound of this particular video so that people can be able to hear the sound that I want to put. Okay, so now as you can see, this video is a bit long. I'm going to choose the parts I want to reduce the sound. Now watch what I'm doing. You type. Okay, now when you just tap, you see this cross line. You locate your split. Good, your split. So now I'm choosing where I want, okay, to give that sound. So now I'm shifting this thing now. As you can see, that cross line and this sign, like, look at this sound, like you can push it. Okay, good. So I'm going to choose where to make use of. Good. Now I've chosen here. As you can see, look at, see, it's in between here now that I want to use it. Use this funny sound. Now inside here I've highlighted it. So now I'm going to click on the volume. Good. Now here I want to use them. You see what I did? I'm reducing the volume. Okay, good. Good. And more especially, another thing is, if you want to put a sound, this funny sound, sometimes you might talk, the next line that will play, that person might not be talking, you fix it there, depending what you want to do there. Okay, so now I'm going to fix this sound here now. Good. Now this place is highlighted already. I'm going back. Let me go back. Good. Now look at where I'm going to put the funny sound. As you can see, the line is there already. Okay, so now I'm going to tap on audio. Good. Audio. Now if you look down, you will see sound, you will see effect, you will see extracted, like extracted video, you will see record. Okay, good. If you want to do a record, it's here that you will still do that record. All right, now what we are working on, putting on funny sound. Okay, so now I already have the sound in my phone. Now I'm going to click on sounds. Okay, I'm going to click on sounds. Good. Now look at what it brought out. I'm using CapCut application. Look at what it brought out. It brought out logo like TikTok. Another, the next one is your kind of file. The next one is like a play stuff, and the next one is star. So we are going to click on the file after the sign like TikTok. Good. Good. Now you have extracted, you have from device, you have extracted from the video, depending where you want to collect the sound from. If there's any sound that is in a video and you want to collect the sound from it, kindly click on this extra sound from video. If you have any particular video you want to collect that sound from, you click on it. Or if there's already ones that you've extracted sound from and you've saved it, you click on extracted. Now I want to collect this sound from my device because I've already downloaded my sound. Okay, now I click on from device. All right, good. As you can see, I have some sounds. I have adults laugh. Okay, I have okay. Now let's just say your sound is not showing here. Okay, you tap here. Once you tap here, let me say I want to look for continue sound. Continue. You type continue. Let's see if it will pop up. Good. Here all my sound. No, it's not this what I'm looking for. Good. Good. Now I have some of the good. I've seen they continue. Look at I have, because I already downloaded it. So now before you start looking for it here, okay, you will first of all open that sound and install it. Anyone you want to tap, that funny sound that you've downloaded, anyone you want there, you just tap download. You tap on that, it will keep on downloading. So by the time you come on your app, your CapCut, where you wanna fixing the sound, once you click on it, it will pop up here. So I have adult laugh here. I have brother shaggy, like it shock you. I have, okay, let me be fixing the sounds. Okay, I want to fix laugh sound here now. Yes, I'll fix it. Watch. I don't see the. Good. Now I want to reduce this sound now, so I can fix another one. I can hear it very well. See what I'm doing. I don't see the video. See now, I've reduced. Let me increase it a bit. I don't see the video now. So now I'm going to fix another sound. You still go back to your audio, go back to your sounds, click on this. From now, this time around, I want to use a sound from a video. Okay, a sound from a video or a sound I've already extracted. Okay, now you click on extracted. You click on extract sound from video. I'm tapping here. Let me look for a video that okay. Let me look for a video. Can use. Okay. Okay. Let's make use of this now. This one is happening in Owerri. Extract voice. Come and carry this video now. Good. This one is happening in Owerri. I want to extract voice. Come and carry these kids from this video now. Have to. Okay. And I'm going to fix confuse or continue. Type watch. Continue. Man. Let me show you again. Click your sound. Go to your file. From device. Let me pick up another sound. Okay, I'm taking a shock cue. Watch. Shock you. So this has to put a sound. I believe you have seen that video. Give me a thumbs up after watching this video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.